Alicia. And today we're gonna start things out a little differently with a riddle.
Okay, so our riddle is, what creature walks on 4 legs in the morning, 2 legs in the afternoon, and 3 legs in the evening? Anybody know the answer?
My wife.
Do you want me to say it?
Sure.
The cycle of human life is when you're a baby, you crawl on all 4 legs. When you're an adult, you walk on 2. And when you're an elderly person, you walk on 3 using a cane.
Yep.
This guy. That's what a college education does for us.
That's CMU education.
And then,
Huh?
Okay, so then, just like this riddle, some people will have problems with their homework and others will get it right off the bat. And tutoring can help the people who need help because tutoring can help you understand your homework.
Okay, so our big question is, how do we keep middle school students from getting frustrated with their classes and homework and encourage them to strive to become better scholars and students?
So our game plan was to tutor and help middle school children with their homework after school. We helped teach the students the curriculum they didn't understand and showed them better ways to complete the problems. This way they wouldn't have to ask their parents for help and get stuck with someone who just couldn't help them. And then what actually ended up happening is we went to Renaissance to tutor every Monday for about a month, so we went there 4 times. And we just sat at the first table in their after-school program, and the kids with their homework that needed help just sat there and we helped them.
We usually just sat there for like 45 minutes to an hour, and like the first day like didn't go so well because like a lot of people didn't show up. We had like 1, but then like after that we started getting like 5 to 10, and like we realized that like it was just like the same kids over and over again, and they all like pretty much all had the same stuff. So
Okay, the reason why we wanted to help kids with their homework was because me and Bree, when we were both younger, we struggled with our homework and we needed help. And then when we went home and asked for help, our parents couldn't help us.
the main reason like my parents really couldn't help me was because like of the new curriculum they were teaching like when we were like little kids. Like they just changed the math and stuff, so like they were just like, oh well, this is how we did it, and I feel like it just made it harder for me when they showed me, so then I just ended up going.
So our goal for our senior project was to help kids finish their homework and make sure that they understood what they were doing so they didn't have to ask for help and get more frustrated when they went home. And then some research that we found when we were doing this was that as a whole country, when we were ranked with other countries on this test, and out of 34 countries, we ranked 14th in reading, 17th in science, and 25th in math.
Okay, basically the new math that they're teaching now is like Singapore math, and it basically starts out slow for like kids to like grasp onto it easier, and then it gets harder, but like it makes it easier for them to understand the complex problems that they have.
And then also in 2011, about half of the schools in this country failed their federal achievement standards. And then this is just a flyer that we made because we wanted to get the word around at Renaissance about what we were doing so that more kids would show up. So we just put this around the school to promote what we were doing. So.
We also sent it home in their Friday folders, so like their parents know about it too. Okay, so this is just like a collage we made, and we pretty much like had like one of the people who work there take pictures of us. Okay, this young girl, her name is Loli. She's in 2nd grade, and she every time she like came in every Monday, she always had like a reading, and I noticed like the first day that she came in, she was like struggling like reading herself because like everything was like loud around her, and it made it hard for her to read herself. So I just recommended that she read out loud, and I noticed that it actually helped her like a lot better.
And then this group of about like 4 students on the left side, they were all in 1st grade, so they all had the same exact homework. they were actually all struggling with it too. So what we suggested was that they all sit together, so then it'd be easier to tell them how to do it and explain it, and then also they would be able to help each other after they understood it and teach each other.